is Eunice, and I'm a professional kid cook. JK, I'm not actually a professional kid cook, but I'm a kid that can cook, and that's great for my age. My show is to teach you guys how easy it is to cook. Cut that! Actually, our show is to teach you how easy it is to cook.
Hi, my name is Eva, and I'm here to show you how to make quick and easy snacks. We're going to be making black peppercorn crackers today, and you can just call it peppercorn crackers. So we're going to be using black peppercorn, Himalayan pink salt, and crackers. But you don't have to use this type, but we're using cream crackers. And so, also this, you don't have to do it. We're using grinder. I'm using a grinder type with grinder. So you don't have to use that. And also I'm using the salt with the grinder. So first, we're going to take out 3 crackers, or how many you want to make. I'm going to take out 3. So first, I'm going to be taking out 3 cream crackers. You can take out more. Let me just go like that. 1, 2, 3. And so, for easy. So then, we're going to sprinkle on some Himalayan pink salt. I'm just doing 3 grinds on each one. Or you can put how much you want. This one doesn't really work. There. Okay. And now I'm gonna be using the black peppercorns to sprinkle onto each cracker. I like a lot of spice, so I'm gonna put more spice, like a lot of spice on mine. But you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, so you can, like, if you don't like the amount of salt, you can put more. I'm gonna taste one to see if I have enough salt on it. Oh. It was nice.